Java tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to talk about spatial operators in Oracle, and these are the spatial operators in Oracle we have, right? So when we talk about the spatial operators are used to specify the spatial conditions. For example, here you can see between and not between, right? So for example, the between operators is used to select the values that are within the range of values, and not between operator is used to select the values that are outside the range of the values, right? Here you can see the explanation. Now we have a in operator as well. Here you can see in operator. So in operator basically used to select data from the given set of values, right? Similarly, each null basically we used to check for the null value, and we have a like operator. It is also a spatial operator that is used for the pattern matching for the given column. So let's try to understand in this example. Basically, we are going to look these three operators through a practical example. Will explore this our 4.1, and like operator will see separately, right? So let's go to the SQL developer, and here I'm going to show you example, right? So let me close this. So let's start with for example, here let's say I would like to basically display the list of all the employees whose salary is in the range of 1200 to 2000. Then how we can write a query? We'll write a select, and if you want to select the few columns, then give the name of those columns. If you want to select in all columns, then simply you put the asterisk, right? As you know, from, of course, name of table is emp. Where clause you need to put where sal, that's nothing but the salary column, and we have a bitmin, right? Bitmin 1200 and 2000, right? So this will select the list of employees whose salary is between 1200 to 2000, and here you need to keep in mind 1200 and 2000 is inclusive, right, in this range. If I run this query, then see, so here is the result, right? We got all the employees whose salary is between 1200 to 2000, right? And here you can see the result. So here basically we have used a bitmin, right? Now let's go for the another example. Let's say I would like to list all the employees who did not join the organization between 1st January 1981 and 1st January 1982. Then how we can list those employees? So here, of course, I will select all the columns. So select a star from employee, where we will have to put condition the hire date, right? Hire date, we have hire date, and instead of bitmin we have to write not bitmin, right? Not bitmin. And here we don't want those employee who have joined between 1st January 81 and sorry and 1st January 82, right? Rest of the employee we want. So what this query says, we want all the list of employees who did not join between this range, right? So here we are using not between operator, right? It's a spatial operator, and here is the list. Here if you look into the joining date, hire date, that falls between these range, right? Now let's move ahead and see some couple of more example. There we'll see how we can make use of the in operator. So in operator can be used to select rows that match the one of the values included in the list. Let's say I want to display employees list who are either analyst or salesman, right? So then how we can write the query? So I'm going to write select a star from employee, right? Select a star from employee, all the columns I would like to select, where job, what kind of job we are looking basically all what kind of designation we are looking for. Either employee is basically analyst or salesman. So I will write job in operator we are going to use here. So either you can write in capital or a small, doesn't matter. So here employee can be a analyst or salesman. Yeah, so salesman. So this will list out all the employees details whose designation is either analyst or salesman. Yeah, run this. So here you can see, look into the job or designation, either that is a salesman or analyst. Yeah, so that's where we have used in operator, right? Now similarly you can use not in operator, right? So if you want all the employees list whose designation uh, either does not analyst or salesman, right? If designation is other than in this list, then that I would like to select. So I would say not in, right? If I run, then you'll see here you can see the designation clerk, manager, but never you see designation as analyst, either analyst or salesman, right? And that's where we have used not in, right? Not in, right? Next we have a special relational operator is null, right? So let's say I would like to list all the employees whose commission is null, right? So how we can write a query? So I'll write select a star from employee where commission is null, we will have to write, right? So this will list all the employees information whose commission is basically null, right? Pretty simple. Similarly, if you want all the employees whose commission is not null, right? Simply you have to give the is not, right? And this will give all the employee list whose commission is at least not null but something, right? So 0 is, guys, it's not a null, it's a value, and that's why that came into this result, right? So that's the thing, these are the things basically I wanted to cover in this video tutorial. I hope you understood these special operators. These are basically very important when you write a SQL query, and especially if you are fetching data from the multiple tables using joining, then these operators are basically definitely you are going to use. So guys, big thank you for watching this video, and see you there in the next video tutorial.